Hey everybody, Rorree here. Okay, so it came to me today to do a little exercise with you all where you will just breathe and repeat some words after me. This is going to take a few minutes. I want you to get into a nice quiet place and make sure you have some uninterrupted time. Make sure your phone is on Do Not Disturb so you're not interrupted while I'm doing the work. So anyway, you will use this particular exercise if you're feeling a little out of sorts, if you're feeling frustrated, if you're feeling like agitated, if you just got us into a situation and you feel like you're not in control of yourself or your emotional state. All right. And so I want you to do some deep breaths. I want you to press pause and do 13 deep breaths in through your nose and out your mouth. And I want you to I want you to inhale and expand your belly and exhale and contract your belly, okay? Okay? 13 times. So pause and do that and then come back. All right. All right, so now I want you to continue just breathing regularly. You don't have to expand and contract. I just want you to take deep breaths in through your nose and out through your mouth. And as I am saying some words, I just want you to repeat them after me, and I'm going to do a healing on the collective, okay? I'm going to do a healing on whoever is watching, okay? So just inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. All right. So now, repeat after me. I take my power back. 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 My apologies for the noise. I take my power back. 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 Stand up. Stretch your arms straight up into the air. Take your left foot, lift it up as though you're stepping out of a big pot or a big bowl. Step out. Take your right foot, lift it up and step out. Bring your arms down to your sides. Inhale and exhale. I take my power back. I take my power back. I take my power back. Ashe, ashe, asheo.